Let's take a moment today and chat about the importance of making sure that all your efforts, all your energies aren't getting tied up entirely in maintenance, in treading water, in staying where you're at. That every single week, if not every single day, making sure some sort of time's being set aside to do something that's going to have a cumulative gain. Something that can be built on top of, stacked on top of. This course relates a little bit to chat the other day about prerequisites and considering different sort of learning opportunities, learning resources, what it prepares us to do. But it's to make sure there's some sort of overall direction, some sort of destination. Even if tentatively, it's okay to change directions after we've committed to one long enough to see something more interesting. It's a perfectly normal and okay thing to do. But to still get there is going to involve that we're doing something cumulative, that we're hacking away on something with some sort of end in mind. We have a target deadline. We have a target release date. Again, maybe those will change. It's not the end of the world if it does. But even having that is the only way we're really building up something cumulatively. Or in terms of our skills. Making sure that we're not just treading, doing maintenance, doing the bare minimum of exercising them a little bit, but pushing ourselves. Continuing to extend what we're trying to do. Because otherwise what happens is this Parkinson's law thing, in which the work will expand to fill the time that we give it. Because every single day, everyone's got obligations. Everyone's got responsibilities. This can't be avoided. This can't be shirked. Everyone's got classes or a day job or other contract work to juggle, or family obligations and so on. Those are all very real. But if we're not careful, we'll let those expand to fill every ounce of available energy and time. And what happens is then the time goes by in a blur. Time passes, we've got nothing to show for it. The only way we're going to have something to show for it on a bigger scale is through doing things that cumulatively will build up to something where we can demonstrate, where we can prove through an artifact, through our ability, or otherwise, that we're improving. That we are somehow in a better position now than we were a month ago, 6 months ago, a year ago. And if you picture where you want to be in terms of positioning, in terms of ability, 6 months from now or a year from now, it's useful to work backwards. Figure out, okay, well then where do you need to be in half that time? Where would you need to be 1 month at a time in that direction? And we'll often figure out is it's going to take us longer than we would have hoped, but the direction is essential to make sure what we're doing is cumulative, that it's going somewhere, that it's not just going in a circle.